Hi friends, today we have a nice stat problem. Here we have to find out mean deviation about the median, right? Data are grouped and continuous frequency distribution, okay? So class as 0 to 10, frequency denoted by Fi 6, 10 to 20, frequency 7, 20 to 30, frequency 15 up to, right? So here first we will determine median, right? Then mean deviation. Okay, so let's start. Here we will determine cumulative frequency denoted by CF. Okay, so this will be 6 and then 6 plus 7, 13, 13 plus 15, 28, 28 plus 16, 44, then 44 plus 4, 48 plus 2, 50, right? So here n is equal to 50, even number, right? So median, how to determine? Okay, median will be equal to class interval containing n by 2th, because here n is even number, right? So 50 by 2, 25th item is 20 to 30. This will be 25th here. This will belong to this here. So 20 to 30. Right? So this will be lower limit L1 and this will be higher limit L2. Right? Now this is in 20 to 30, right? So median formula will be used as L1, right? L1 plus n by 2 minus C over F into H, right? Here L1 is equal to this 20, right? We will make capital L1. Here also L1. L1 is 20. N is 50. And F will be here 15, right? F is 15 and C will be equal to, before this that will be taken as 13, right? And H, here H is 50 to 60, here difference, a gap, that is 10, right? H is equal to 10. H is equal to 10, right? Now we will find median using this formula, or denoted by x bar. Median denoted by x bar is equal to L1 20 plus n by 2, 50 by 2 minus C is 13 over f is 15 into h is 10, right? So this will be 20 plus 25 minus 13 over 15 multiplied by 10, right? So median denoted by x bar will be 28, right? Now we will go further to determine mean deviation, right? Now midpoint 5, 15, 25, 35, 45 and 55, right? And here xi, mod of xi minus x bar as 28, right? This is median, right? So xi, this will be denoted by xi, right? Now xi is 5 here, 5 minus 28 is equal to 23, right? Then 15 mod of 15 minus 28 is equal to 13. Then mod of 25 minus 28 is equal to 3. Then 35 minus 28 is equal to 7. 45 minus 28 is equal to 45 minus 28, 17. Then 55 minus 28 is equal to 27, right? Now we will go to this. Fi is this 6 into xi, mod of xi minus x bar. This is here 23 is equal to 138. Then 7 into 13 is equal to 91. Then 15 into 3 is 45. Then 16 into 7 is 112. Then 4 into 17 is equal to 68. Then 2. So 2 into 27 is equal to 54, right? So summation 508, right? Or summation of this fi into mod of xi minus x bar is equal to 508, right? Now we will determine mean deviation. MD or is equal to 1 over n summation of fi into mod of xi minus x bar, right? So this will be 1 over n is 50 and summation here we can say I is equal to 1 to 6, right, into this as 508, right? So this will be 10.16. So mean deviation, right, about the median is equal to 10.16. Okay friends, thank you.